How you doing, folks? Right, we're back out, wee overnighter. So it's going to be a Onetigris night tonight. So I've got the Onetigris hammock, Onetigris rucksack that I've just got. So you've probably seen my last video. So I'm going to use that tonight to carry my gear in. I've got the Onetigris under blanket. The only thing I've not got is Onetigris is my tarp, which is the DD XL camo tarp. So I'm going to get to my wee kind of camp spot and we're going to get set up. Stay tuned. Right folks, set up. So, what have I got tonight? I've got the Onetigris double underquilt, Onetigris hammock, Onetigris rucksack, I've got my psychology pillow, I've got my kind of cheaper down bag tonight, DD tarp, I'm good to go. So, I'm going to start collecting a wee bit of firewood. We'll get a wee fire going later on. I'll also get a wee bit of cooking done. And, as ever, a wee bottle of vino. You know me. So, stay tuned folks, stay tuned. Yep, are still here. So as you can see, it's pitch black. I'll tell you, it's getting colder tonight, but can't beat that, can you? Cannot beat it. Right, so, oh yeah, it's chilly. Yep, winter's coming. Brilliant. I love winter camping. You can probably hear fireworks and things going off in the background. Right, so I'll get woolly bonnets. Well, got a bonnet. I can get the gloves out the night, so it must be getting cold. But anyway, like you say, it's dark, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to get this Pomoly stove kindled up. Then I'm going to do a wee bit of cooking. So, what we got tonight, you just have to wait and see. Right, I'll get the stove fired up and then I'll show you what we're cooking tonight. As well as cooking, you know what has to happen, a bottle of red vino. So, tonight, what have we got? A wee different one tonight. So, it's a Californian Merlot. Got this one out of Lidl's, so we'll see what it's like. I reckon it'll be no bad. So stay tuned, like I say, cooking's still to come. Right, let's get that stove lit. Put along and heat it up. Right, so while that's heating up, we'll crack the wine open, will we? Somebody's got to do it. Aye, not bad. Quite fruity. Right, we'll get stuck into that. So I'll drink some of this and then we'll get a bit of cooking done. So what we got tonight, I'll just show you. So, wee shout out before I start. This one's for Johnny Explores at Scotland, right? Because he gave me a packet of Shin Ramyun noodles, gourmet spicy noodles. So I'm looking forward to trying these. I've not had noodles in ages. Right, and I think these are from the proper kind of Chinese shop. So that's what I've got. Then some chicken tikka masala, just already kind of marinated. I've chopped up onions, peppers, garlic, and then just for a wee bit extra, I've got some Patak's tikka masala spice paste. So supposed to be doing I get tugged in a curry challenge. So this is going to be my curry, right? I've not got to look in with Johnny Explores Scotland's curries because they're just fantastic. I'm cheating, I'm using curry paste, right? But I'm quite sure that with the chicken, the noodles, I'm sure it'll taste fine. So that's still to come. Don't know if you can you hear those fireworks? Well, we were on sea last night, all night. Right, I'm quite sure everybody else has been the same. I can imagine there's fireworks going off everywhere. But I'm looking forward to getting a wee camp tonight. Like I say, out in the hammock. So I've got a new Onetigris roll up rucksack. I've got my Onetigris hammock, Onetigris under blanket. So it's a bit of a Onetigris night. saying that, I've got my Pomoly titanium stove, and I've got a DD tap, and I've got a bottle of Californian red wine, Merlot. It's lovely. Oh, can't tell a lie, that is actually quite nice. Oh, another wee shout out while I'm here before I forget, John Tompkinson, I think it is. I have to give a shout out for his wife, the Screaming Dragon. Well, I'm taking it as your wife, John, right, but I have to give a shout out for the Screaming Dragon. So, this one's for you. You can kill John, for asking me to say that, but the reason I have to give a shout out is I have to say happy birthday. So happy birthday to the Screaming Dragon. Enjoy, have a good one. Party on. Hope you have a good birthday. All the best. Right folks, it's time to start cooking, I think. So first up, I'm going to chuck in the onions, the garlic, the sweet red pepper. Ready for the sizzle? Can't beat that sound, can you? Oh, lovely. So, I'm going to cook the onions, the garlic, the sweet red pepper. I'll cook that down first. Right, so I've got the TF grill tonight. I've already said it's the Pomoly titanium stove. I think that's a T1 Perspective, I think it's called. And then I've got the 14-inch Zebra stainless steel kind of billy can. Oh, that's boiling away. So what I'll do, I'm going to chuck in the noodles next. Right, well the veg is cooking. So these are the Shin Ramyun noodles, gourmet spicy. Right, get a wee kind of vegetable mix and the soup base. So can't beat a bit of spice, can you? So let's chuck it all in. There it goes. Chuck it all in. Some noodles on the top of my stove there. Right, I take it. This is where the spice comes in. Superb. Right, I'll just let that cook away. Right folks, lovely. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to chuck in this chicken tikka. Oh, spillage. So, I'm going to let that heat up. Once that's heated up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drain out the water out the noodles, and then we'll stick in that chicken tikka masala paste. and I reckon we'll be good to go. Oh yes, I reckon they're good. Right, before I drain those noodles, I'm going to do, I'm going to chuck on some of this chicken tikka masala paste. In fact, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to chuck the whole lot on. Why not, eh? Oh, that's looking good already. So, curry tag challenge, I'll do it for me. It's looking not too shabby if you ask me. Right folks, noodles done. Oh yes. Chicken tikka masala. I reckon that's looking good to me. Definitely. Sizzle-tastic. Right, let's get some of this onto the noodles. That's looking immense. Immense. Good to go. So, chicken tikka masala with spicy noodles. Oh, I can't wait to dig into this. Time to dig in, time for the taste test. So, here we go. Nice wee cheeky plate full. So, taste test time. Oh, this looks immense. It smells fantastic as well. Right. Taste test, bon appetit. Superb. Oh, you can't be a good scran, can you? That really is. That's fantastic. Nice easy one as well. Not too much prep, but full of flavour. Right, I'm going to dig in. I'll bring you back in a minute once I've scoffed this. Stay tuned. Oh, stuffed. Well, can't tell a lie. Fantastic. Tasted the business. So, that's my curry tag challenge done. So, I'm just going to sit back and drink my vino now. So about, probably about tomorrow night, a kind of wee local camp tonight in the hammock and that, but tomorrow night I'm going to get out somewhere, maybe a wee bit further afield. Don't know where I'm going to go yet, but I'll go somewhere. So let's say tune in for that one as well. But comment below anybody else out tonight. Tam that comments my channel, he's out tonight. I think he's out Friday, Saturday at a secret spot. So you never know, I might even pop by that way tomorrow night. Pop in and say hello. But it's just good to be out. But it's definitely a colder night, but a nice clear night. Plenty of stars out. But sitting, chilling like a villain. Right, it's nearly midnight. Nearly midnight. Might as well finish this vino off. So, wee early one tonight. Well, early night, I was going to say. Right, but before I go to bed. Ooh, yes. No chocolate digested tonight, but we've got a wee selection of chocolate biscuits. So, what have we got? Right, a couple of them. One of those. Oh sorry, two of those. One of them. One of them. And last but not least, double choc chip cookie. On top of that, yep, you've guessed it, it's time for a brew. Right, brew time. Right, tomorrow night, I don't know, where am I going to end up? I reckon, who knows, to be honest. I'll end up somewhere. Right, what will we try first? Right, I'm going to try one of these. And you know it's got to be dunked, isn't it? You know me and my chocolate biscuits. Oh, aye. Well, that first one was no bad. Right, what's next? I think that's a wee cheeky Jaffa cake. Yep. This one, I don't know. It's a chocolate biscuit in it. Oh, I love chocolate biscuits. Chocolate biscuits in a brew. And the final one, looks like a double chocolate chip cookie. Chocolate cookie, is it? double chocolate cookie. Immense. Right. Couple of brews. Then we'll climb into the hammock. Hammock tonight. Tomorrow. Who knows? Might take the hot tent out again. Or might take my wee mountain tent. It depends where I go. I just like the fact, you know, the hot tent is lovely and warm. But I do quite fancy taking the mountain tent somewhere. And maybe not up a mountain, but I might go up the hills. I might do a beach camp. Who knows? But all I know is I'll be out. There's nothing beats getting out. Can't stress enough. There's something about it, it's fantastic. I just love being out, in the great outdoors. You should too, right? Stop sitting in the house, stop sitting watching mundane telly. Get yourself out there, get out into the great outdoors and start enjoying it. Because there's nothing beats it. Right folks, it's time to get into the hammock. So, good wee night. Oh, you can't beat a hammock. Cannot beat it. They really are. I can't stress enough how comfy these are. So I'm gonna oh yes. That's what I'm talking about. Fantastic. So that's it for the night. I'm gonna fly here. Oh, it's brilliant. I just love this. So I'm gonna get in my bag, crash out for the night, and then, well, we're back in the morning. Right, we're in. So definitely it is a cold night tonight. Now you can see that. But so comfy. Really is. Don't get a hammock, you get a hammock as well. So like I say, I've got Onetigris hammock tonight, Onetigris under blanket. I think it's the Shield Cradle, so it's like a kind of double underquilt. But oh, it's excellent. It really is. It's lovely and warm. So that's us in the hammock, and then go to sleep. Ah, brilliant. It's a cold one. Well, I'm saying it's cold. It's not really cold. I'm actually snug as a bug in a rug. So, in the hammock, in my bag, ready to crash out. So, what we'll do is, I'll say good night for tonight. We'll bring you back in the morning. See you tomorrow. Morning. Brilliant sleep. Oh, it's so comfy. I don't want to get up.
Really are. Hammocks, definitely one of the comfy sleeps you'll get. But I think it's kind of a wee bit cold this morning, but it's not too bad. But I think it's time to get up. So let's get up. Right, up and up. So I'm going to get the kit down, packed up, and then out for another adventure tonight. So folks, as ever, like the video, whatever side I've put it, hit the wee like button, hit subscribe, hit the wee bell, and thanks very much for watching. See you in the next one. Adios.